We're going to make sure we're logged into our Google account, and so we have the right email. Perfect. Okay. So we can go to the menu bar button in the top right hand corner and click Drive. What we're going to do is find a file to send off and to share, right? So we're going to share this particular file. Make sure your share settings are set to this person can either view or they can edit too. Usually we allow people to edit too. Folders or documents. That way it makes it collaborative. So I'm going to share it with myself per se. There we go. You're going to notify me right there. You can add a message right below that, and I'm going to click send. So I'm going to try a new email. So I can show you two different Google accounts working. So I'm going to say, hey, just sharing this folder and file, whatever it is. Please review, and they will be outside of your organization. So you click yes, please share. You see I sent it to my other older personal email. That's me, young me. And you're going to go to shared with me, right? That's where you go to see any files that are shared with you. And what you're going to do is top right hand corner is click add to my drive. Right now we can organize it into our own file system. So now this integrates directly with our Google Drive, and we don't have to worry about ever trying to file the file again or asking a person to reshare. It's our file.